Behold the tunnel.
Can you hear that behind us? Just listen closely. Huh? Can you like footsteps behind us?
Hear that?
There's like something big standing down there, dude. In the middle of the path.
Hey, who's back there? Do you hear that?
Yeah.
You can hear that? Dude, that sounds right there. Is there anybody here with us?
Oh!
Is there anyone over there?
Dude, there was a shadow.
Oh,
This was shut when we came in.
yeah.
Rose, can you please touch the barricade?
I heard walking in there. Oh my god, come look at this guy. Attacking. You guys do that? Yeah.
Did you both hear that?
Yeah.
Y'all heard that?
Look how hard it's shutting.
Wellington, the location of the deadliest avalanche in U.S. history. In February of 1910, an avalanche derailed 2 trains, which resulted in 96 people perishing. Although the railroad is no longer in use, parts of the route is still accessible through hiking trails. One of those trails, which is called the Iron Goat Trail, has reports of people hearing screams, along with other unknown sounds on the trail and within the tunnel. Some of those people, including our investigator Rachael, has also seen full-body apparitions wandering inside the tunnel.
Back in 2014, my ex-boyfriend and I went to Wellington because throughout our relationship, he claimed to see different kinds of spirits. So I had heard of the train disaster there and wanted him to come out there with me to see if maybe he could see anything or feel anything.
I know you had that picture of that, like that dark figure in the tunnel. How long afterwards did you actually see that figure in your photo?
Maybe a month.
Okay.
At one point during that trip, he disappeared for a little bit somewhere around the trails, and when he came back, he was different.
Was he just kind of more colder, like standoffish? Something was on his mind, or maybe something a little more?
Like he was far away.
Okay.
You know, like he didn't really engage in any conversation on the way back.
Mm-hmm.
So when we got home, he said that he started seeing a new spirit around my house. He described him as being like his skin was gray. And he was wearing kind of older timey clothes.
Yeah.
So throughout the next couple months, he started acting possessed.
After reading about all the rumors and hearing Rachel's previous experience, our team decided to make the trip to Wellington and investigate the trail for ourselves, hoping to find answers to what was haunting Rachael just years prior. How have you felt ever since coming back from Wellington?
I got like consistently sick there for about 3 weeks. Like it felt like allergies, but no allergy medication would help. This last time, I guess just maybe a little more aggressive. Like, maybe assertive, more assertive.
Yeah.
Screenshot stuff too. Seriously, I just saw. Have you ever seen the movie White Noise? It almost looked like that, but like dark figures. So we started walking with you guys. Me and Eric heard footsteps coming right up behind us. But I saw 3 human-shaped shadows darker than ours moving independently.
Hey, who's back there?
Again, stuff you want me to You guys want lavaliers on already?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just keeps going.
All right.
What do you see?
Just the outlook down a hill.
Oh, that's where the train fell, I think. Yeah, I was watching some people that were pedaled down here, and there's a bunch of like pieces of the train that they were
Down here?
looking through.
If it wasn't dark.
Somewhere along here, yeah.
This would be a good spot for EVP.
I mean, it would be good because you got a bench here too. You could just sit down,
Yeah, everybody can
do a
sit.
blind.
We can have multiple angles set up because this is perfect for it.
There's somebody here with us. Interact with that device. I just sat down on the bench.
Well, it's already on.
Oh, cool.
Interesting. You turned it off.
I know,
It came
yeah.
on by itself once.
EMF.
How do you even turn it on?
So there's a little.
Oh, this.
EMF just
PWR.
triggered.
Yes?
No.
There's nobody here?
Oh, no.
No.
I'm telling you, these guys are sneaky. When I took that picture of the tunnel, they were all like hiding in there.
Nobody's here with us? Is there anybody here want to talk to us?
Yes. Okay, we're here. Are you one of the passengers that died on the train? No. No.
Still no.
Were you one of the searchers that came to look for the passengers? One of the search and rescue?
Was this battery fully charged when we?
The phone
Yeah,
is around 80%.
it's at 20%.
Oh,
now.
What? Already?
Yeah.
Are we okay to be here and talk with you?
That wasn't making it go off.
No.
That just lit up.
Did it?
Yeah. Are those shadows in there good? Were they friendly?
Yes.
Are they males? Are they men that died here?
I heard footsteps on the camera through the audio.
Really?
Yeah, like it sounded like someone walking on the wood.
On the wood?
I just heard that. I just heard a knock. A little. Was that you making noise?
Are you trying to tell us that you're here?
I heard footsteps on the camera. I heard footsteps on the camera.
Feel how calm everything just got.
Yeah.
Creepy. Would those shadows like to come? Can they show themselves? EMF just lit up.
Yeah, it kind of sounded how you were walking now, kind of like how you could hear the
Hollow.
thump of the wood.
Yeah.
It's going off more frequently.
All right. On to the next site.
Yeah.
Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you for talking. We're gonna. Yes.
You hear that?
Do you hear
Hearing something.
Voices?
Do you see something down there? Like in the middle of the path, way down there by where that sign is.
Can't tell.
There's like something big standing down there, dude. In the middle of the path.
Yeah, I don't hear anything anymore, but
I don't see it anymore. There was something standing down there, but it was super tall, like halfway up these. I thought that's why I moved around to see if it was a shadow, but it stayed. Almost.
I wasn't hearing talking. Like I thought I heard like a low, almost like a rumbling. Like I don't want to say growl, but almost like.
Looks like a growl.
But that matches up from when I was seeing that down there. And then as soon as I saw it's like gone, you stopped hearing your thing. I swear to God, something walking behind us.
Is that?
What?
I don't know what the fuck that was.
I swear to God, something walking behind us.
Is that? Is that?
heavy like boot sound?
Yeah.
Somebody,
See?
it's like a heavy boot sound.
Yeah.
Like heavy boots.
Is
None
it
of
mine?
us-
I'm wearing boots, but not heavy.
But that's a lot of stomping
No,
that we're
like,
not doing.
like someone's walking on cement with like heavy boots.
Right, dude, we've been hearing
Well,
that
that's what it
this
sounded like on like the
Got
on the
temperature.
dock. Like someone was wearing boots.
Yeah.
Damn.
Holy crap, look at all that rebar. Dude, there's something walking up behind us.
Yeah.
I can fucking hear it. Dude, I swear to God, somebody's following us.
Where's he going?
I thought we heard something.
We need to be careful because
What?
this trail goes all the way back to where we stopped to go to the restroom.
Oh.
It's part of the Iron Goat Trail, so I don't know if we're going all the way fucking back that way.
I was going to say, it said 2 miles round trip for the
I feel like we've gone more than a mile.
We definitely got a mile.
It might be easier just to turn back and then take the other trail.
Yeah, I
Because I know
agree.
for sure that that other trail goes to the.
I agree. Since we know for sure that the other trail goes the other way.
Well, that's
Goes.
good. I've been hearing somebody walk behind us this entire way. So.
Perfect.
Yeah, now you gotta face us head on, brother.
So at this point in the night, everything just kind of seems to be happening kind of consistently. We got Austin seeing shadows at the end of the tunnel. We got Eric catching the footsteps on audio when we were sitting on the dock. We got some of our equipment going off. All of us are hearing some heavy footsteps. I don't know what it was. It sounded like maybe like heavy boots walking down. Eric catches that EVP of that, I don't know, a whisper. It sounded like some scream you'd hear out of a monster movie. And it's like, the thing is, I know it wasn't a scream, and it was a whisper because none of us heard it besides Eric, who heard it through his headphones that were connected to all of our lapel mics. And when I listened to each individual lapel mic that we had, it only came through Eric's mic. And I think his reaction kind of summed it up perfectly to what we were all thinking. There's only a couple things where I audibly said, "What the fuck?" as reviewing footage, and that was definitely one of them.
It sounds like the talking you heard over on the lookout
Yeah.
in the wood.
Like it was like a single knock that I heard on the
Like
the
I heard early
headphones.
while we were over there.
It's not like a wood knock, is it?
Bigfoot stuff.
It was almost kind of like a wood knock.
I'm telling you, it's the wood knock on the thing, dude. I wholeheartedly believe something's been with us, though. Anybody here wants to talk to us?
Are you guys?
What?
I heard another bang right after you did that.
We're not near anything to bang.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
The walking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a boot hitting the wood.
I hear faint talking in the distance.
What direction?
Back that way. I'm not hearing anymore. Whoa.
What was that?
What was that? You got that too?
I got that too.
Just that squeak?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought that was one of your guys' mics squeaking.
No, I don't know.
Did it almost sound like a train?
Almost like the brakes.
Brakes?
It was
yeah.
straight up high pitched squeal.
'Cause that's what it reminded me of, just like a brake, like a
Yeah,
braking.
the braking.
How crazy would that be though? Train brake sounds for an old railroad where a big disaster happened. Like it's almost
Yeah.
playing part of
Yeah.
what was normally going on. That was crazy. I'm glad you got that at the same time.
I heard that. Like I thought it was coming from one of your guys' headphones.
Almost like the wheels, like the.
That again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
Squeak
again.
again?
The squeak
I
again.
heard it again.
It does sound exactly like brakes.
Was this there?
Where is it?
Don't touch it.
I don't ever see it at
I
all.
don't remember seeing it at all. But I was pretty focused on this too. Don't know, you know, Blair Witch Project.
Yeah, I was gonna say this is some Blair Witch. Don't touch it.
I know.
Leave it-
So nobody recognizes us being here?
Does licking it
No.
count?
I feel like one of us would have noticed.
Yeah, I know.
You would
'cause
think,
it
but
was-
I know I was looking at this the entire time.
Yeah.
And I was
Yeah, I
looking
was
up and
too.
on that. I can't honestly say I was looking at the railing because it blends in pretty well if you're not actively looking at it.
It's like perfectly balanced.
You
I didn't,
son of a.
I didn't touch it.
We're cursed.
Then we get to the tunnel, where Rachel captured the photo of that shadowy figure at the mouth. As soon as we got in there, we went straight to the end, and the ceiling didn't look stable at all. So we went back to the mouth, and we set up some equipment, and the equipment was going off. We were getting some answers. But when we sat there and just listened, we just heard voices and conversations just happening right in front of us. Or even just kind of deeper into the tunnel. But when we looked, shining flashlights down the tunnel, nobody was there. And nobody was around us.
Behold the tunnel.
Oh, it's here already?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Damn, dude, look how far that goes.
It's cracking.
Look at this crack.
I know, I was looking at that.
All right.
Head back.
Well, we're back at the mouth of the tunnel.
Yeah, we're coming off the
Oh, you know
tunnel.
how good this feels? Take a load off.
Now you got two options.
So you can either interact with the device next to the flashlight by answering yes and no, or you could use the flashlight. Is there somebody here with us? Yes.
Instantly.
I can't tell if it's the water I'm hearing or.
I hear that too.
Yeah,
That conversation, like talking.
yeah, yeah.
I heard it when we were down there.
I hear it right now. Like a group of people talking.
Are you trying to decide whether or not to talk to us?
Does it get really foggy in here, or is that because of the bait?
It's just mist.
There was a mist on our way in.
It's true. There wasn't any mist.
You feel that? It's getting colder.
It is. That's why I was like,
Just now noticeably cool because it's been pretty steadily warm. I just heard a scream from down there.
I thought
I legit thought it was somebody.
I heard it too.
And I heard that over this in my ear. I just heard a scream. I just heard a scream.
well,
Pain.
What?
I just heard something.
Yeah, okay. So it is misty in here also. If you want to say something, say it to this box. Dude, you can barely see them right now.
I know. Yeah. They got way.
What the fuck is happening? Let's just sit in the dark for a minute and see what happens. Do you hear that?
I hear.
Yeah.
What is it? It sounds like a little girl.
I hear someone talking.
Yeah, I've straight up heard that too. Can't see shit though, dude.
If that's you back there, please.
Can you make the light turn off?
Yeah. Yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear that? Dude, that sounds right there. Something fell?
Whoa.
Dude, it's...
Did you hear that?
Yes. Like a full conversation, dude.
Yeah, did you hear that? Yeah, did you hear that? Yeah, like right here. See?
Yeah, no.
Sounds like somebody's walking towards
know.
us. I hear talking. Dude. Do you hear that?
I hear talking.
Clear as day, dude. Do you see a shadow?
Did you
What's that?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
All right, dude. What the fuck? That was loud.
That was weird.
I heard someone talking again.
Yeah. Said help.
Oh, that's just here, you want mine?
That's fine. Well, actually, I just turned on.
I'm not hearing too much anymore.
Yeah, I got nothing now.
I'm satisfied.
Not bad. I thought it was going to be a bust. Thanks for talking with us. Thanks for hanging out with
Thank
us. Stay here. Don't follow us. Goodbye.
At the end of the investigation, we were kind of shocked on how much we got. Usually those outdoor investigations are kind of hit or miss because you just have so much audio interference. It's hard to get stuff on equipment. It's hard to get answers on some of the devices that we have. We agreed that trail definitely lives up to its reputation. There was something there interacting with us.